Now, one of the premium requirements for a lot of people when they build their own websites is that they need some kind of a mechanism by which they can sell their products and services. This is where our next platform comes into play, that is Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that is designed for businesses that want to sell their products and services online. It offers a large range of features for managing inventory, processing payments, and fulfilling orders as well. Yes, people find it very simple and easy to build their websites on it. But as their requirement grows and as their businesses grow, they definitely have a reason to move out of Shopify and build their website on some other platform. So have a good day and enjoy yourself.